Hello everyone, welcome to the American Fireworks Demo 2018. Here's the street site, demoing a bunch of Class C product, along with a Pyro Crucible of 1-3 items. I am here with Pet Daddy 28 as well. I'm going to meet other pyros as I go. It's been 2 years since I've been waiting for 2 years to come here and finally made it. Even have live music and a food truck. So it almost feels like I'm actually at just a normal fireworks show. So hopefully I gotta take some footage inside of the retail outlet and pick up an order here. And hopefully I'll meet some other fellow pyros. Let's look inside the retail store.
Yeah, well, I might go talk to you. I don't know, man. I don't know.
Fountain section.
Places in Cleveland, it's a long drive.
Are you working at Odie's? That's where Ernie's.
Pyro Cool, I heard this is a pretty good one. Say cheese. Novelties over here. Smokes. Airplanes.
Whatever became of Anne and Frank, you ever
Mostly
see
smoke. Sparklers are down there. Look at this cake. Hot damn. The 4-inch. Not sure about 4 inches. I can tell it's a big scam right there. Think it's allowed, that's a good one. Display shells by Dominator. Money bags. Giant willow with colored tips. And this is a good one right here. Yin Yang. Parachutes. I always kept thinking that these were reloadables, but it's only a single shot. Got a couple cakes down here. Looks like, yep, that is Amazing Ballet. Firecrackers. Oh, I thought they were phasing these out. Got some lady fingers in the house. Not sure why they're in the jumping jack section. Oh, there we go. $5.99 retail. Not too bad. I heard these are pretty interesting. Jitterbugs. It's a mixture between jumping jacks and firecrackers. Might get a couple packs of those. I roll this down my street and light it. Whole block's gonna be lit with firecrackers. And there's some. Not sure why these are in here. Baby Roman candles, more firecrackers. Yep. Single shot firecrackers if you want any. Then we got bricks and hat bricks down here. Not so much. Crazy lemon. All the 9-hour board cakes are over here. Shoot the moon. Look how they make them look like professional racks. 3-inch Prolox finale rack. I like the design of it though. giant Saturn missile battery. I think I'm getting one of these. Ring. Well, these ring rockets are ring shells. Or a smiley face effect. We got missiles over here. Heard these were pretty good. Assortments of rockets. There we go. Missiles. Bunch of missiles. Got the standard smaller rockets. And here are the classic bottle rockets. These are my favorite right here. The 3-stage Whistling Moon Traveler. Get these every year. You also have the Maddox versions as well. Then they got the single whistlers. Bunch of single whistlers. And then the standard, just report bottle rocket. These versions here, the boomer ones, do not get. I had these a couple of years ago. They barely launched in the air. All of them pretty much were duds. And got some bigger skyrockets. These were pretty good. Smiling face rockets. These are one of my favorite consumer grade rockets, jet screamers. Plan to get a couple of these as well this year. More ring rockets. Patriots are good rockets too. Space Jam assortment. Heard these are kind of a mixed bag in terms of their quality. Alright. Oh, gender reveal items. This is a big thing lately in fireworks, is gender reveal stuff. For this one thing in the future, if I get a kid, I'm gonna do that. Assortments down in this aisle. This looks to be mainly a safe and sane assortment. Pyro Nation. Kind of like a shout out to his channel too, by the way. This is a good assortment of cakes, 200 grams each. Great way to start a show or end the show, like a fake finale type deal. Got your small variety assortments right here. This would be perfect for a pyro in training. Got a little bit of everything in here. This is pretty decent. 2 small Team Sniper assortment. Get 4 of World Class's most popular 200 gram cakes, plus you get a artillery shell kit. Air Fighter. I was thinking about getting this, but I'm not a fan of these 1-inch canisters. I prefer the ball shells. But eventually ball shells will be completely gone. I'll be resorting to those. But look, you can get some pretty decent stuff in here too. Some small cakes, up to about some 200 grams. I had this assortment last year. Life of the Party, it's a good one. Great way to add to your show. Not sure about this one. Got more of those 1-inch canisters again. Miniature plastic shells. I'm not a fan of these plastic mini ball shells because they're plastic and they don't have really good breaks compared to the paper wrapped ones. Got some bottle rockets. Got a small Amazing Ballet. Good little pre-show assortment right here, along with Rock the Boat. This is a pretty cheap assortment. Comes with a little bit of everything to get your 4th of July celebration started. Then we got the kiddos. We got some novelty stuff in here. Mainly novelties for the kids to figure out and have fun with. Here's another small assortment. Loaded for fun. Quick glance at the retail store. Still haven't even gone to the goods section yet, which will be the artillery shells and more 500-gram cakes. This store has really improved over the years. Offering more and more brands. We got Winda, World Class. Dominator obviously is their king brand. Bright Star, which is part of Winda, and Maddox, along with a few others. Here's some more novelties and Roman candles. What's this? This is a Roman candle. Yeah. Not too bad. Stun gun. This is a pretty decent heavyweight candle. These are good candles right here. I had these in my Fireworks Fun 2016 video towards the end. Pretty powerful shots for a Roman candle. We also get an assortment full of Roman candles. F-16 fighters, whistling chasers, more novelties. Paparazzi. This is a good one I've never really heard of. It's an angled cake. 50 shots. Oh, it's being demoed tonight. These are all being demoed tonight right here. These are demo specials. Which one is this? Sure bet. Okay, that's it. Touch of Gold. That's a big V-shaped zipper cake. Oh, here we go. Now we're getting to the good stuff. Canister shells. Yep, gotta have these babies. Excaliburs. That price ain't too bad. Of course, that's for the demo special. Or half off. Snipers. These are my favorite canister shells right here. The Judge are very good too. I got a pack of each again this year. Kingslayers were okay. I had a little bit more duds on these compared to previous years, but oh well. Shooters are a smaller version of the snipers. Might try these this year. Supernova canisters. According to Pimp Daddy 28, do not get these. These are fake canister shells. I was gonna get these, but I decided not to because I heard that. What's down here? The Eliminator. It's a bunch of assorted artillery shells in here. Are you switching your tube out there, Pimp? It's not over here?
I guess they don't have it on retail.
Shot tubes if you want them.
This is 3,000 tube. It usually comes in 6 different types.
Some of these upside down. I don't think anybody's ever had a store tour since a couple of years ago, so that's why I'm doing one. All the reloadable shells, triple brakes. do miss the ball shell versions of these. Now they only have the canisters. Kind of lame. Top shelf. These were okay when they were first released. I'm not sure how they are now. I'm debating about doing a demo of these on their own. Then the echoing ears, all up to graceful minds. These are good ball shells if you want good mine ball shell effect. Right here. And then these are the newer versions of echoing ear. I actually have these stashed up for future use. Outclass shells, obviously I had these a couple times already. Might get these again. These are new. Maddox variety artillery kits. We got the whistling artillery. Just the normal black box artillery. And then we got crackling. And of course you got festival balls. The miniature artillery shells. I do not really recommend the plastic ball ones. I'd rather get the paper ones. Like these here. Here's an older Winda kit that's paper wrapped. And then here's the plastic ball ones right here. More shells. I was thinking about getting the mine shell. Got double break shells. Probably getting a box of these tonight. And we got another variety pack here. Ballistic bombs. 12-pack version of the Judge kit. Venom artillery. And then we got Mammoth artillery, which is a bunch of ball shells. The Avengers artillery kit. Just a bunch of triple break and double break shells. And we got quadruple breaks right here. More triple breaks. That's a big one right there. Double break kit. Alright. Now we got the big boys here, the 500 gram cakes. This thing's massive. This kind of reminds me of the bomb by Phantom, the way it's displayed. 9 shots of presumably 3-inch shells, which they're probably not. And we got a bunch of other goodie cakes. This is a good one. I get every year. Passed on this one. I got the double barrel instead for the 9-shot double break. Screaming Eagles. Oh, I hear somebody.
As soon as you walk in, they're going to know what it is, right? Unless it looks ambiguous inside. With the Winda kits, you don't. See, these are just obvious. Yeah, this one baby we're going to have.
That's just a quick tour of the store. Demo should be coming very shortly. Can't wait. Oh, I forgot one more section, the 200 grams. Backyard Perfection down there. That's a good one. This is a really good cake. Bought it for a second time. This ain't bad, little zipper cake. Ruby blues. Yeah. Dave's in the next aisle. That's a variety pack of Saturn missiles right there. Large and small. Here's more 500-gram cakes I forgot to address. Rainbow, rags to riches. Apologize, there's other Pyro YouTubers here. There's another double break cake. And here's one of the kings of the block, Detonator. Still have mine stashed from New Year's. Cross-set Crush, CE90. I heard this one. I think they're demoing this tonight. Yep, demo special. Captain Pyro's being demoed too. I have this one stashed still. It's a good one though. I'm planning on getting this one. This one. I might get this one. I saw this one last year. It looked pretty nice with the nice comets that fly everywhere. The cross-set comets. American Thunder. American Celebration. Big Power. Of course, I got a bunch of these I didn't light off last year. More lanterns, more novelties. Oh, this is the one thing I need to get into again. Is fusing. Yeah, I know fuse my stuff. I just light it and go. A lot of people are like, why don't you fuse my stuff? Because I don't have the time to set up. I always run to the shoot site as soon as I hear the all clear to start shooting. Never had the time to fuse, so I might fuse my finale and my opener at least for this year. If you want, I mean, I always save my mortars, but if you want to make your own racks that have fiberglass, I have like 15 of those shells. 15 of those.
Rack 12, I'll put them on a board, nail them down. That's my
Yeah. Put them on a.
That's safer rack.
Yeah. Much better than making your own fiberglass rack like that.
Put a tube upside down on that back.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay.
There's a tour of American fireworks. See you in the next one. It's getting closer and closer to shoot time. Dang. They come early. But anyway, take a quick look at the shoot site one more time. Got a smiley face, piece up there. Probably some Pyro music.
There must be some way out of here. Say the joker to the thief. There's too much confusion. I cannot get no relief. By this word. No reason to get excited. The
Monday's raffle announcement in between. So if you have your tickets, you can come in and redeem your prizes. We'll also do the door prizes at that point. We'll post those on Facebook either tomorrow or Monday. So if you aren't here and you just want to get out of here, you are able to come into the store next week. And we'll go ahead and keep the same pricing as well through Wednesday. So I know it's been cold, it's been a long night, and you guys probably want to get out of here. So we'll keep that pricing. But once again, thank you very much for coming out. And we'll get the demos started here in a second. So we're going to start with the Dominator section with item number 1, 192 proof. Item number 2, American Steel.
Not bad finish.
Item number 3, Boombox. Item number 4, Detonator.
Uh-oh. Dang. Got an older version in my stash. I thought they were about the same.
Item number 5, Double Barrel.
Uh-oh, here we go. Still good as ever.
Item number 6, Jacked Up.
That wasn't bad.
Item number 7, Mammoth Brocade.
The effect kind of reminds me of Wacky Tobacco.
Item number 8, Mammoth Strobe.
This is a good one. Sounds kind of weak. Oh, that one wasn't bad. Yeah. Other than the strobes, I don't really like.
Item number 9, Paparazzi. Item number 10, patriotic dominance.
Ooh.
Item number 11, Pro Ox finale rack.
Oh, there's that weird 3-inch rack. Uh-oh, didn't go off.
All right, we'll be passing on that one. Item number 12, Rip Rock and Roll.
Oh, there we go.
Item number 13, Sure Bet.
Wow. I think I'm getting that one.
Item number 14, Touch of Gold.
Oh. It's the weather, yeah.
Looks like we're going to have to pass on that one as well. Item number 15, Vertigo.
It's all right. I like the falling leaves, yeah.
So that'll wrap up our Dominator and Mad Ox section. We're going to move on to cutting edge fireworks now with item number 16, Big Power.
I was curious how that one would go.
Item number 17, Captain Pyro. Item number 18, CEDC.
That's a good one.
Item number 19, GTX 3300. Item number 20, Gun Runner. Item number 21, meltdown. Item number 22, melting stars. Item 23, safety rules.
Oh, we got a cake fire.
Item 24, screaming eagles.
Wow. Yeah, there's more brake charge than lift charge. Have to feel those in your chest.
Item number 25, sharks.
Get a fireman out there. Here comes
Item
the fire brigade,
26, the bruiser.
yeah. It's an ambulance. Yeah, it's a fish cake. It's not bad. Oh, there goes the fireman.
Item 27, united we stand. And the last item from Cutting Edge, item 28, Unstoppable Rider. Now we're moving on to the Winda section of the demo. Item number 29, Addicted to Loud.
Nice one. Let's roast some marshmallows on that fire now.
Item number 30, Amazing Ballet.
It's a zipper cake. Yeah.
Item 31, Atomic Fireball.
turn his headlights off.
Item 32, game on.
That's not bad. Fire's still going. You
Item
can't get it out.
33, happy go lucky.
It's supposed to be a smiling face cake. Yep. There you go.
Item 34, Hawaii Dream. Item 35, Lace Impulse.
Dude, that fire is huge now.
I like that.
'That smell. I love it.
Item 36, Neon Blast.
Nice color.
37, Pyro Candy.
Woo.
$38, Rags to Riches.
Ooh. Nice green.
$39, Rio. $47.
Oh no. Not a 101. Oh, that cake was kind of lame anyway.
Yeah. Okay, he's gonna have to pass that one. 41, Shoot the Moon.
Oh! Low break. You just had to jinx it.
Number 42, Triple Threat. Alright, we're moving on to our last section of the demo. This is all going to be from World Class Fireworks. Item number 43, American Trucker.
Great piece to add to a finale.
Item number 44, Fighting Rooster.
Oh, I got this one on order. It's a lot like your Mardi Gras Fiesta from Love Up Boom.
Item number 45, Money Bags.
There's no one of those no ab cakes.
Item number 46, One Bad Mother-in-Law.
This is one of my favorites. It's slow, but has a nice finish.
Item number 47, Orc Skull. Item number 48, Secret Agent.
Ooh, bright.
Item number 49, the Big Dog.
That's that big one. Doesn't sound as big. Uh-huh. Yeah, that was a low one.
And the last item for the
finale?
demo, number 50, Too Much for You.
And it's not going off.
Too much for you.
If it won't go, then that fire will probably take it off.
All right, well, that's a good way to end it, I guess. That one did not go either. Sorry, it gets a little hairy out there with the cold, but that's our demo for this year. A reminder again, all this stuff is on sale in the store right now, all marked 65% off. You'll see it with the yellow tags on it. We will have it available this week through Wednesday if you want to take advantage of those. What we're going to do now is they're going to get some stuff ready for the display that we're going to do to end the night, but we're going to go ahead with the Chinese raffle items. So if you guys want to get your tickets out,
That's awesome.
That's it, everybody. That's the American Fireworks Demo 2018.
That was awesome.
Very nice show.
all right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the show.
Shout out to Pip Daddy 28,
Like I said, we appreciate you guys always coming out supporting our business. Every year. You guys are some of the
Evanspyroparty.
most loyal customers we could ask for. Thank you very much. Once again, peel out of here slowly. It is muddy. And thank you. The store will be open until pretty much everyone gets what they want in there. So thanks again, guys.
What are those big like?
Quick shout outs to Evanspyroparty, Westpapyro, also known as Chuck from Pyrodudes, and Dave, Display Fireworks 1, who has also been at this demo. Also, there's a few others, Sticks and Stones, and who else was here? A bunch of other people who supported my channel are here, along with Pit Daddy 28's channel. It was a great time meeting you all. Alright, I'm gonna go inside the store to pick up my order. I still haven't done that yet. So, that was one heck of a show, one heck of a day. See you on the next one. In cold Ohio. Take care.